Before we start building a game with C, let's link our development container with JuniorIT.AI Discord bot first. For this, open your Discord app and navigate to the JuniorIT.AI server. Now I am in my Discord app and in JuniorIT server. You can enter the following command in any of the chat box of the channel. Right now I am in live class. I will write / and the name of the bot, and it's devlink. You can either write or just click on the option available for you and then hit enter. JuniorIT Discord bot will then provide you with a one-time sign-in shell command as shown. You just have to copy this command, and this message can only be seen by you, so don't worry. But if you want, you can also dismiss the message. Now after that, again come to your code spaces. You just have to paste the command that you have copied from Discord JuniorIT bot and hit enter. Then it says we have successfully signed in. We just have to use JuniorIT get command to check out your available project. Just copy this JuniorIT get command and hit enter. Then it will ask you to select the project. For now, we just have the C language, then just choose one and it will clone the project for you. It's as simple as that. After that, you can follow the subsequent instructions to complete. And if you are facing any problem or any error, just make sure you have installed all the necessary packages